The war in the Middle East is no longer contained. It is expanding, spreading across borders, pulling new countries into the fire, and now a shocking mistake has added another twist to this dangerous conflict. Three American fighter jets, ladies and gentlemen, shot down, not by Iran, not by Israel, but by the US ally. Well, this is the dramatic situation unfolding after Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's death, the Iran's longtime leader. He was killed in a wave of intense airstrike. What followed? It was not calm, but a storm that is now sweeping across the entire nation. Well, missiles are flying, drones are buzzing across the skies, and multiple countries are suddenly on high alert. It all began with a massive escalation. The United States and Israel launched coordinated strike deep inside Iran, targeting military facilities, command centers, and leadership locations. Well, the strikes were powerful, relentless, and they sent shockwaves across the entire region. Among the most dramatic consequences was the reported death of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, a man who ruled Iran for nearly 4 decades and shaped the country's offensive stance towards the West. Well, for some Iranians, the news triggered celebrations. For others, it brought fear, confusion, and uncertainty about what comes next. Because when a leader like Khamenei disappears, power struggle begins and wars often grow bigger. Iran's response came quickly. Missiles were launched. Drones filled the sky. Targets stretched far beyond Israel. Iranian forces fired towards Israeli territory, but also towards strategic locations across Gulf and even towards a British military facility in the Mediterranean of Cyprus. The message from Iran was clear. This war will not stay limited. If Iran is attacked, the entire nation will feel it. But then something unexpected happened in the chaos of incoming missiles. Air defense systems in Kuwait detected aircraft and threats in the sky during the Iranian assault. The defenses reacted quickly. Well, missiles were launched to intercept what operators believed were hostile targets. But in that confusion of battle, a devastating mistake occurred. 3 American fighter jets were shot down. The aircraft were F-15E Strike Eagle, jet belonging to the United States Air Force. Instead of enemy aircraft, Kuwait's air defense accidentally targeted its own ally. Witnesses captured dramatic footage. One of the jets could be seen spiraling down from the sky, an engine burning, smoke trail leaving behind, and the aircraft losing control before plunging towards the ground. Fortunately, the disaster was narrowly avoided. All 6 crew members from the 3 jets managed to eject safely from the aircraft that was crashed. Rescue teams quickly recovered them. Yes, no American personnel was killed, but the incident highlights how chaotic and dangerous this war has become. In the meantime, Iran signaled that its retaliation was far from over. The powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announced that a new wave of missile strikes was being prepared against Israel, and the battlefield was already expanding. A new front opened when Hezbollah, Iran's powerful ally in Lebanon, launched rockets and drones towards Israel. Israel responded immediately. Airstrikes, it thundered across southern Beirut, targeting areas believed to house Hezbollah commanders and weapons facility. The strike was intense. Buildings shook, smoke rose across the skyline. Lebanese authorities reported dozens of casualties, with many civilians injured as the violence spiraled into crowded urban areas. And the war is now hitting the global economy as well. That's right, after the weekend attacks, shipping traffic in the Persian Gulf slowed dramatically. Energy markets reacted instantly, and oil prices jumped sharply. Investors around the globe are now worried that a prolonged conflict could disrupt global trade and derail the economic recovery.